And it's that time of the year where we are having biggest show in Africa, Big Brother Niger, and the fans are literally tired of some of the things that housemates are doing. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. My name is Bonso. Today I'm going to talk about one of those or more of those things that I hate that housemates they feel like they're okay, even for fan bases. But I'll start with the housemates. There's always that season that we have toxic housemates that choose to be toxic for no reason. I don't know if this is the strategy or if it's Biggie telling them to be toxic, but I think if you ever become a villain, be a villain in a sense that you protect, you defend, and attack only when it's necessary. Being shady when people are asking you questions, sarcastic when you don't need to be sarcastic. It's actually not so nice. I don't want to lie. I believe this season, let's just reduce that toxicity because people are going through the most, guys. Let's just be honest. People are not happy as they seem. And then the other thing that I hate is the bicycle of the group. Bicycle in like African content context, we mean when we say we are a bicycle, you just go around as a woman or as a male, you go around relationship from one person to another. I mean, people will say to each their own, what and choices, body, whatnot, but dignity, in my language, they say maitshwaro a mabotse a lota seriti sa motho, meaning that the way you carry yourself will actually be the character that you will be judged on. So please, guys, there's no need to act like when you are the hottest thing to ever happen. We know that you're hot. You can see that you're hot. You can see that you're attractive. Some of people were even attracted to you, but it doesn't mean that you have to go to one boy or to one girl each and every week. Just chill, bruh. It's only 10 weeks. You'll be over and you go back to your normal life. Another thing that I hate the most is the apti, the suburb or whoever who's coming from a rich family will be acting like, I'm not here for money. I'm here to make, with who? Because those relationships, they don't even last for 2 seconds. The friendships from Big Brother house, they don't even last. Yeah, you are not here for money. Baby say, I'm here for attention. Don't say that I'm here to make a relationship. With who? Huh? So you just left your home, a whole world with 8 billion people to go enjoy to join 20 people to make relationship, leaving 8 billion people outside? Stop playing with us. We are not babies, guys. We use common sense. Let me go to things that fans do that I hate the most. First thing first, fan bases, there's no need to body shame, ugly shame. Hey, the shaming must stop. Slut shame and whatever shame that you're doing, it must stop. I hate it. It's wrong. I mean, you can comment on the work ethic, you can comment in anything, but do not actually body shame anyone, slut shame anyone. It's wrong. And fan base, another thing that they do is choose the pretty face because they love. Guys, there's difference between being a beautiful person and having a pretty face. A pretty face is someone like, if you watch Skim Sam, pretty. As someone like, if you're from Big Brother, Siamosha. Siamosha, is it? No, Siamosha, it was Zintle. Big Brother now we have Didintle. They have pretty face, right? A beautiful person is a person who exudes like that character. Jojo, for example, she's a very beautiful person. Facially, the way she carries herself, the way she loves other people, that's the beauty of a human being. There's some days you're saying someone is beautiful, but their ways, you can even like Zhuang. Seriously. But those are my pet peeves that I don't like. And actually insulting our mothers. Yeah, you can do anything. Please stop insulting our mothers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section telling me which one are your pet peeves when it comes to Big Brother house.